Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and we're going to do a brief walkthrough of a brand new, fresh out of shrink wrap this morning, 2023 MasterCraft XStar S. All right, so now that we're inside the boat, let's take a look around the inside. So, pair of LED lighted speakers up front, also double USB port as well. Pass-through storage underneath this seat running to the back. Battery switches would be in here, as well as your billet walk-through door. So you can shut that, shut this at night. It'll keep the airflow from coming back in the boat, make everybody a lot more comfortable inside the boat. Pass-through trash door. This one was ordered with the twin screens as well as the largest stereo available from the MasterCraft factory. So clip speakers up in the helm area, two up front, clip speakers back here. All of the speakers have LED light rings in them, as well as two pairs of 8.5-inch tower cans with LED lights also. Standard clamping board racks, over the tower cover, and surf sleeves up in the bimini top for your for all of your boards. Rear-facing seating as a secondary spotter seat. Pop-up ski tow pylon, and arguably the most comfortable stern-facing seating in the industry. This one was also ordered with the stern thruster on the back, which absolutely makes this boat one of the easiest towboats in the world to drive. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed your walkthrough of the boat. And if you got any questions about this or any of the other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We look forward to talking to you.